Hi everyone, Scrap Into My Sleep back with you. It's been a long time. Had a lot of life things going on and just wasn't feeling the creative mojo. Well, that's not necessarily true. I did create pages. I just didn't feel like filming or doing any haul videos or things like that. So I am back now and let's just hop right in. I'm going to start with my Hip Kit Club. It just came in today, and so I'm going to unwrap that with you. This is a really fun kit this month. Everything in the kit is exclusive. So it's all been made and designed by Kim and Kimberly. Kim and Kimberly. So I have the Project Life kit, the embellishment kit. Oh yeah, the embellishment kit, or the Project Life kit for October, because I didn't get that one. And then I have the paper kits and the cardstock kit. So I can show you. This is going to be the same, so I'm not going to worry about showing that one. But let's go with the main kit for November. Actually, I will show you both of the, that way I can show. Wow, I am really discombobulated. Okay, they came wrapped this time. Okay, that's kind of cool. So I will get out both so I can show you both sides at the same time. But if you get the main kit, you will just get one of each design. All right, so let's see what we have in here. This first one is called A Little Baddie. So lots of pastel bats. Back of that is the really nice distressed geometric windmill pattern. I really like this. I'll use both sides of this. The next one is Fall Breeze, a nice deep turquoise. And the back of that is a mustard yellow with pink foliage on it. Then we have Fallen for You, nice distressed background, watercolory. Back of that is some peach or light pink foliage. This is really cute. It's called Turning Leaves. I like this a lot. It's really cute. And the back of that, if I can get a hold of it, is a watercolory pink. Oh, I love this next one. This is called Favorite Jumper. Looks like a cable knit sweater. That is really fun. I like that a lot. And the back of that is a fun quadrant page, diamond quadrant, triangle quadrant, I don't know. Give Me Some Pie with some pears on there. And a plaid on the back, a really nice pale plaid. A pretty floral on a navy blue background. This is called Harvest Wishes. The back of that is just kind of like a 70s florally thing. This is called Pumpkin Spice, very bright floral. And the back of that is a mustard paper with some variation in tone going across from one corner to the other. Not sure if that's picking up very well on there. This is called Scully and Mulder. Not my favorite, but that's okay. Maybe I'll like the back. Yes, I do love the back. Ooh, I really love the back. This is like a dusty blue plaid, but it's a stitched plaid. So that's really, really fun. I'll be using both sides of that for sure. And then this is called Village Fair. In the back of Village Fair is a nice Vicki Boutin-like background page, watercolor background page. This month there are two really nice, what do you call these? Really thick cardstock papers, cardboard cardstock papers. All right, so those are the pattern papers for the October 2021 Hit Kit Club. And the paper add-on. Then this is the cardstock add-on. So there are 2 sheets of Heidi, which is a nice purple color. 2 sheets of quartz. 2 sheets of this nice charcoal gray color. I don't think it has a name. Nope. And then we have 2 sheets of Stream. I don't really have to keep saying 2 sheets. I think there's 2 sheets of all of these. So we have Evening Surf. Ooh, I love this one. This is called Beeswax. And then we have a nice sagey green color that doesn't have an actual name, and then some smooth coconut swirl paper. This is the only smooth cardstock. All the rest are textured. So those are the cardstock add-on. And then we have some ephemera. There's 55 pieces. This collection they have named Sweater Weather. Here are the pieces that are included in that. I love the sweater on a hanger. That's really cute. Here's another one. Really cute. And then we have some beautiful enamel dots. There are a lot, 64 enamel dots on there. That's quite a few. Oh, I love these. These are fun. Wood veneer with gold foiling on them. This Friends is really cute with the little foliage detail. We have a sheet of 6x12 chipboard stickers. A really nice dusty blue alpha in a scripty font. No letters. I'm sorry, no letters. No numbers, but there are extras of the letters that we need so many of. So that's fantastic. Love that. All right, so that is the main November kit. And now we have the embellishment kit. So we have another set of ephemera, 59 pieces. And these are more leaves and flowers, a few pumpkins. Is that a popsicle? Oh, a mushroom. That makes more sense. A mushroom. And a little squirrel. So those are fun. Some really pretty buttons. We've had buttons before, but I think I prefer the more muted tones like this. Last time they were pretty bright primary colors. We have a sheet of cardstock stickers. I love these diamonds. Whoa. It's fun. We have some more. We've had some of these before, some mixed media stickers. So it makes it look like the painting is already done. So those are fun. And to match some of the other things we've had that are similar to this, we've had squares and hexagons so far, I believe. And now we have diamonds. So each of these is a different layer. So that's fun. And I bet these will fit into some of these inner squares, inner diamonds in here. It'll be fun. All right, and then we have the Project Life kit. for November. October. I've said November this whole time. This is October. Wow. Okay. This is really pretty. It is like a dusty blue or dark gray alpha. Really thin, tallish font. It's really pretty. And again, no numbers. So we don't have to feel like we're wasting them when we don't use them. All right, here are this similar to the die cuts in the ephemera, the florals and the leaves, the pumpkins. These are puffy stickers. We have some tags, journaling tags. Those are fun. The fox is showing up again. And we have some, wow, there's a lot of stuff this month. These are clear word stickers, and then some foliage and toadstools, apple, pumpkin. My favorite flannel, yes. Those are fun. Lattes, leggings, and love. And then we have a sheet of chipboard stickers, phrases, and tabs. So this kit is loaded. And then the last thing is the cards. All different sizes, so you can put them in traveler's notebooks. It's just a nice sturdy piece of cardstock. Pocket pages, or just do layering with them. So we have this nice rainbow piece. These are all single-sided. So if you don't love the front, you can just use the back as a white layer, as a mat or something. So we have this dark teal that we saw in the paper, and then an autumn journaling tag. The 4x6s are October, because this is the October kit, not the November kit. Ooh, there's that sweater pattern again that I love. And that nice plaid. Then we have this size, which is 3x5. Got a few of those. And 3x3s. So we have a lavender. This is that skeleton pattern. Oh, I love this one. Love this one as well. There's almost a rainbow. I don't know if they did that on purpose, but I'm sure they did. I'm sure they thought about it. But you could do a pink, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. And that would be pretty fun. So anyway, okay, that is the October Hip Kit Club. I'm glad to be back. Hopefully I will be a little more regular now in my postings and scrappy videos. So thank you if you've come back and watched this video after such a long break. I will look forward to sharing more with you in the days to come.